fulfillment when you achieve it without destroying your principles. Friends, oil and gas are both very important resources in our daily life. That's why we should conserve both and make the best of our resources. JX Nippon Oil and Energy, formerly Nippon Oil or NOC or Shin Niseki, is the largest oil company in Japan, and in recent years it has been expanding its operation in other countries.
Since 1888, ENEOS has the longest history of any oil company in Japan. With approximately 12,000 outlets nationwide, we hold the #1 market share position, and our network is growing globally. For many years, we have provided products and services that satisfy the Japanese market, often considered the most demanding in the world. As a result, ENEOS lubricants are now used by nearly all Japanese car manufacturers. The high-end product Sustina is just one product in the range of ENEOS motor oils available to meet any requirement in use or viscosity.
Its business includes the exploration, importation and refining of crude oil, the manufacturing and selling of petroleum products including fuels and lubricants and other energy-related activities. It has exploration activities in Canada, the North Sea, South America, Australia and Southeast Asia. Nippon Oil was founded in 1888 during the Meiji Restoration, which lasted from 1867 to 1912. A key to the company's initial success was its willingness to obtain technology from abroad. In particular, Nippon Oil looked to the United States, which had already pioneered technological innovation in the oil industry. In 1889, Gonzaburo Yamaguchi visited the United States to obtain information on the latest advances in oil drilling. From 1908 onward, Nippon Oil's output of oil gradually decreased as wells became exhausted. Nippon Oil, again relying on US technology, introduced a rotary drill that enabled existing wells to be deepened. Other Japanese companies soon followed Nippon Oil's example, leading to increased oil production throughout Japan. Nippon had recovered from the energy crisis through the growing strength of the Japanese economy and the high appreciation of the yen on world money markets. In 1980, profits reached an all-time high of 45.67 billion yen. The JX Nippon Oil and Gas Exploration Corporation announces that its wholly owned subsidiary, JX Nippon Exploration and Production Limited, has been offered 18 of the newly awarded blocks in the UKCS 27 offshore oil and gas licensing round, which was closed on May 2012. The JX Group, which has 66 consolidated overseas subsidiaries, is actively developing overseas businesses in energy, resources and materials. Each of these businesses has a significant role and mission. This feature introduces some of the key projects that will support the future growth of the JX Group. Nippon Oil aims to be an integrated energy company. This strategy is not limited to Japan but is essential for us to realize sustainable growth in Asia. Company is steadily progressing strategy for Asia centered on exploration and production, refining and lubricants businesses. The CRI strategy means chemical refinery integration, which aims to bolster the company's propylene and paraxylene operation for the rapidly growing Asian market by leveraging the strength in refining operations. Now the company is expanding its business opportunities in Asia. In contrast to the expected decline in demand for petroleum products in Japan, demand in China and other Asian countries is projected to increase. In particular, a certain level of growth in Asia is expected for heavy fuel oil, while demand is anticipated to drop significantly in Japan. Nippon Mining and Metals Corporation is the core company engaged in the non-ferrous metals business in the JX Group, which is aiming to become one of the largest integrated energy, resources and material business groups in the world. As a member of the JX Group, the company is constantly striving to realize the JX Group values of ethics, advanced ideas, relationship with society, trustworthy products, and harmony with the environment. While acting in accordance with these values, the company has been active in businesses covering upstream resources development, midstream metal smelting and refining, and the downstream areas of electronic materials and recycling and environmental services with copper at its core. As an integrated non-ferrous metal manufacturer, the company is forging ahead with a global mindset under its basic policy to not only grow each field of its business in a steady and solid way, but also maintain a well-balanced approach. The major competitors in the global market are Idemitsu Koshin Company Limited, Showa Cell, Sekiju KK, and ExxonMobil Corporation. Now, to make you aware about the major products of the company, which are petroleum products, oil and gas, automotive lubricants, industrial lubricants, metalworking fluids, greases, marine lubricants, industrial and private use engine oils. Nippon Oil is on a fast track in its growth prospect as clearly shown by its financial performances. The company achieved net sales worth 61,17,988 million yen in 2006. The operating income the company during the financial year ending March 2006 was 3,03,930 million yen. The group reported a consolidated net income earnings amounting to 9,634 billion yen in 2010. In fiscal year 2011, the company signed a sale and purchase agreement for Gorgon Project LNG with Australian subsidiaries of Chevron Corporation, completed research facility at the Mitsushima refinery for testing the high severity fluid catalytic cracking process. The Helen Field development is a greenfield project and produced its first outcome in 2003. It comprises a steel platform in 92-meter water depth offshore Sarawak in the South China Sea. The jacket consists of an 8-leg tubular steel frame structure. The design is conventional except for the upper jacket structure. Early involvement in greenfield project is essential to maximize added value and to reduce both CapEx and OpEx. iCure's involvement started in 1999 and will continue until start of operation and beyond. So, in short, JX Nippon not only committed to provide genuine products to its global customer, but it also emphasizes on the need of eco-friendly technique. So friends, there is only one success: to be able to spend your life in your own way. Thank you and wish you a very good luck.